Supporters of Nigeria's separatist leader Nnamdi Kanu have called on the federal government to opt for dialogue as his trial resumed today. This comes as the leader of the proscribed indigenous people of Biafra was physically present for his trial today in line with the directive of the trial judge who insisted the case would not proceed with the defendant in absentia. The trial has been adjourned to the 10th of November. News Central's correspondent Nnamdi has more.
The entrance to the Federal High Court premises was barricaded by heavily armed security personnel. Also, traffic was temporarily suspended from major roads leading to the court complex.
Today, I have a case in the court. I filed a motion a few days ago, and I was to present myself before the court on my motion. And then this early morning, I came in through the Transcorp axis was blocked, and I also came back through the back. The Brunu axis, House axis was blocked, was barred from coming to the court. As a senator of the Federal Republic, I think I have the right to even go, even if I have no business in the court.
Even the press was barred from covering the court proceeding as journalists waited outside the court premises. Shortly after the session, security officials immediately left the court surrounding. Counsel to Nnamdi Kanu gave a brief overview of the events that played out in court.
The Attorney General of the Federation served us with amended charge, 7-count charge, yesterday, because they want to serve us on 14th of October. They amended it again, but so they served us with amended charge yesterday. But after studying the charge, we've come to a conclusion that the charge is worthless and empty. So we have filed an application challenging the competency of the charge and the jurisdiction of the court to continue hearing this case. So, and today, our client took plea to the 7-count amended charge. And the matter now adjourned to 10th of November for hearing of application challenging the competence and jurisdiction of the court to hear the case.
A mild drama ensued as supporters of Nnamdi Kanu appeared from nowhere in their hundreds, singing and chanting songs of solidarity. A chat with several supporters of Nnamdi Kanu saw them dismiss the charges, saying they have no basis.
We are of the firm view, that the 7-count offense charge preferred against our client did not disclose any offense. So I can't see where somebody will sneeze in London and it become an offense triable in this country. Most of the counts were founded on non-existing law,
Should there be a trial in the first place? You rendition the man, and they want to try him. Illegality on illegality, it's impossible. There has to be a trial within trial. You understand? Until that rendition is cleared, I think there won't be any trial.
Remember that federal government has applied to try Nnamdi Kanu secretly before, and that application failed. Now they are now decided to come through another way, and I want it to be on record.
Some of them urged the federal government to opt for dialogue with the controversial leader of the proscribed group, the indigenous peoples of Biafra.
Nnamdi Kanu is an institution. He represents a tribe, a nation. That's what the world should understand. Nnamdi Kanu, like I've always said, remains part of the solution, not part of the problem.
I'm not the judge. I'm not taking decision on him, but it's about giving him justice and showing that there's a transparent judicial trial over him. That's the most important thing.
The trial of Nnamdi Kanu has taken both an ethnic and international dimension. Nigerians will be hoping that come November the 10th, wherever the pendulum swings, they will be confident that justice has been truly served. From Abuja, Nnamdi, News Central Television.